Hello and welcome to another brand new episode of Joe Sent Me. And my name is Joe and I'm your host for today. Today I want to talk to you about another brand from Istanbul, Turkey that I had the privilege of meeting with yet again. These are friends of mine. These are folks that I met at Essence back in 2018. And I am just so excited to see that their house is doing so well, and it's expanding and it's growing, and even had a great meeting with one of the stores in Nigeria, Sunday Signature, and who knows, maybe this will end up in there, who knows. But I want to talk to you about Regalian Istanbul, and this is a brand that just fell in love with from day one. And they have a brand new collection. It's called the Heritage Collection. I'm going to show you that. But before we do, I want to start with an appetizer of a fragrance that was not in my collection. One of the OG fragrances from the brand, and it's a must-have. Holy cow! I don't know how I missed this one. You got to get this one. This one's called Marrakesh. This is from their initial first line of perfumes, but look at the beautiful packaging here. We got this, and then we have this that opens up like this. You have the beautiful fleur de lis along the edges here. That's the motif of Regalian Istanbul. You have the fleur de lis. Fleur de lis is on the bottle here as well. It is a black matte finish bottle with a cap, just like that. And Marrakesh, God bless me. Let's have a smell real quick, just to be reminded of how beautiful this one is. In fact, I'm gonna have to go in the trash here. Oh yeah, and you can tell this one is this is a dark liquid here, so don't spray your clothing. Do not spray your clothing. You will stain it. This is when you think of Marrakesh, what do you think of? Same way like when you think of Istanbul, you think of the spice markets. This is exactly that. This is a very spicy, ambery, resinous perfume. Spicy, ambery, resinous perfume. This is the best way to describe this. It is phenomenal. I can't believe I did not have this before. But OMG, I am so glad Marrakesh has made it home with me. And this is just the appetizer. Folks, I am so excited about this next part because they really, really worked hard on this. This is the high-end line. This is the cream of the crop, the top of the line from Regalian. And this is such a great, great series. And so I want to show you all 5 of them. I have them all. And I'm going to just tell you a little bit about each one of them. So first thing I'm going to start with is turquoise, which is this one right here. Now, turquoise, for those of you who don't already know, it's actually is a stone. A turquoise started in Turkey. That's where the Turk in turquoise came from. That's Turkish. It's a Turkish stone that's this color. So if you're wondering where does turquoise come from, originally, I mean, it's Turkey, but they also have turquoise in other countries as well. That have different hues, different shades, whatever. But the word turquoise came from Turkey. So fun fact, that's where it came from. Really cool detail about the box and packaging. Real quick, this is a paper sleeve that has all the notes listed right there. And they even hired a calligraphy artist to write the name of the perfume right there as well. So that says turquoise on there and in calligraphy. And of course the Regalian right there in cursive on the side. Again, lots of attention to detail. Let's not forget the golden fleur de lis on the top. Then when you open it, you slide the box out. And of course you'll see inside the box they have the golden fleur de lis as well. So a lot of attention to detail went into making this. The packaging matches the name of the perfume. The color scheme all goes together, so you know what to expect. And then the best part is your notes are listed on the side of the box. So I don't have to go to the internet to find them. Ha ha! All right, then the box. Like all of them, and every single one of these are going to be the same. The box opens up like this. And again, the calligraphy is on the inside as well for Regalian Istanbul. Same calligraphy artist. This is in velvet with gold. And then the perfume is seated inside of this beautiful foam cutout, which stays put. This thing survived the trip all the way from Istanbul back. And yeah, solid, 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 solid. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about this guy right here. Let me put it back in this box too. And we're going to get started about this one. Yeah, so the first thing you think about is, yeah, this is probably going to be an aquatic. Yes, you are correct. It's going to be aquatic. But there's so much more to this. These are all extrait de parfum. All of these are extrait de parfum. All are extrait de parfum. And check this out. It's got the turquoise written right there in the same calligraphy. It's got the cap that's magnetic. Magnetic cap. 50 ml. And let's spray my card just to revisit this. And a great atomizer too. Great atomizer. Ooh, and it's so powerful, guys and gals. This is a powerful powerhouse of a fragrance. I mean, you will fill up a room. This is a super powerful aquatic. This is going to be attention-getting. This is going to be attention-getting. First of all, we got marine notes, ozonic notes, artemisia, saffron, seaweed to give it that saltiness and greenness. Cassis, which gives us that fruitiness, amber, and oak moss. There's like a muskiness about this too. Like you could tell it just completely jumps out at you. It's super, super well done. And I was very impressed because I typically don't gravitate towards aquatics, but this is a loud and proud aquatic that you just know you're going to smell good. You just know you're going to smell good. So far, so good. We're off to a great start. That is turquoise. Next, we have Shah. Which is the dark green box. And I'm going to open this again. Everything else stays the same as what we talked about. The gold on the inside. The beautiful calligraphy with the name right there, Shah. By the way, if you can't read the calligraphy, flip it around and it tells you the name right there. So let's pop this thing open. Again, the matching bottle to match the box. Matching bottle color to match the box. And man, I have to tell you, if you could just be in this room with me, and if you could smell what I'm smelling, this entire room is filled with the smell of turquoise. Filled. Next is Shah. Little goes a long way, folks. This is extrait de parfum. Wow. This is a heavy-duty fragrance. Again, a very heavy-duty perfume. This one features the notes of oud from Cambodia. We have mineral notes, so there's got something going on with the minerally. Very unique, by the way. These are very unique individual perfumes that don't smell like everybody else's stuff. Very unique. We have nutmeg spice, saffron, clove, Turkish rose, cedarwood, and patchouli. Some would say this is a rose oud, but it's not your typical cookie cutter rose oud. This is very different. It's very spicy, nice and dark, super heavy, guaranteed to turn heads, guaranteed to make a statement in the room, guaranteed. Every single one of these is just like that. Every single one of these are like that. They're going to turn heads. Next is Allah. A-L-A, Allah. Allah. This is the golden one. So what do you think of when you think of gold? I don't know. For me, I think of like honey. The first thing I think about is honey. And again, the golden one, the yellow one. Call it yellow, call it gold, call it whatever you want. Just don't call it late for dinner. All right, so again, same theme. You know that you get the idea after the first two boxes. You understand what's happening here. So this one, oh, just intoxicating, beautiful. This is a honey. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh, this is so good. Vanilla, amber, and a malic musk, apricot, honey, Turkish rose, cinnamon, geranium, rosemary, and tonka bean. Not, the honey in this is, it's there. You could tell it's there. But it's not just an overdose of honey and that's it. Honey is a great aspect of this perfume, but everything else plays in here as well. The vanilla, the amber. Oh, it's so sweet and decadent, but so good and not cloying. Not cloying, folks. So good. So good. So good. All right. Gotta move on because, Lord Almighty, I could just live in that. I could bathe in that. I love it. And again, it doesn't smell like anything else out there, which is great. Next is Nazen. Nazen. Beautiful. Again, beautiful calligraphy art right there. Love this sort of pearlescent white box. Again, you kind of get an idea what to expect with that pearlescent white box. I'm thinking to myself, there's going to be something, maybe a white floral that's going to be a part of this. So let's see if I am right. Let's see if I'm right. Here's the white bottle to match. This is actually a shiny white bottle, not a matte finished. All the rest, by the way, all the bottles in this series are matte. This is the only one that's glossy. I asked the owner, why did he go with the glossy? And it totally made sense what he said. It is because the matte finish, the white matte finish, collects dirt. So those bottles get dirty. This one does not get dirty. So if you don't want a dirty bottle, that's the reason why they went with a glossy white versus a matte white. Very smart. And they thought about that, which is great. Oh, so good. Oh my God, this is so good. This is tuberose, jasmine, ylang ylang, gardenia, bergamot, lily, peach, coconut, vanilla, and white musk. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Oh, super sexy floral that's like almost a tropical with the ylang ylang was tropical, the lily, the peach, the coconut thing that's going on, the vanilla, the white musk. Oh, yes. This is such a decadent white floral, sexy, I'm thinking like a tropical, sexy white floral. This is for you if you love those kinds of things. Last but not least, we have Mephtun. Mephtun. Sounds like I'm saying Neptune, but this is called Mephtun. Love the purple. Purple is the color of royalty. Purple is the color and the symbol. Well, purple is the color of royalty for me. Purple is also my favorite color. And let's see what Mephtun is all about. Will this smell like grapes? I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a little looky look at this. Magnetic cap. Gotta love it. Show the bottle, but I gotta show that beautiful purple. Do you love purple? Oh my God. Smell that. patchouli, ambrette musk, cinnamon, ginger, incense, sandalwood, red berries, and angelica seed. Patchouli is the star, but I have to say this is unlike any other patchouli that I've smelled. So thank you for making a patchouli that doesn't smell like everybody else's patchouli. I love the red berries that are added in this to give it this fruity pop. The woodiness, the incense is not too smoky, not overpowering. The cinnamon and ginger spice. Ginger is amazing in perfume, by the way, because ginger can lean zesty, peppery, citrusy, all in one. So you're getting sort of a triple threat with ginger. The cinnamon in this is well played, well played. And ambrette musk or musk mallow, very nice, beautiful, creamy, just decadent. Again, every single one of these are unique. They stand on their own. They're their own perfume. This is the Heritage Collection. I urge you to check it out. I am trying very hard to get them into the United States of America. If you're watching this video and you're from the United States and you're like, God, where do I get this? I am working on that for you. I'm working on that for you. And I'm going to do my best to make sure that somebody really good gets this house and they will be able to sell it to you in the USA. And then finally, y'all are going to be able to experience Regalian for yourself. Regalian's an amazing house. I really love them. And I want you to experience them. So please make sure to follow them on Instagram and also go visit their website. If you have questions about anything you just saw here, leave a comment below. Love to hear from you. And thank you for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye-bye.